IPBRICK.MAIL is the solution for email and collaborative tools, mail, calendar, address books, tasks and notes, and the best option available on the market for keeping the email under your company's control. The easiest way to access IPBRICK.MAIL is through IPBRICK Cafe, the enterprise social network, which is the main door for all IPBRICK applications. Or you can simply write the address in a browser. Insert your credentials. Click on the IPBRICK.MAIL icon. This is the main interface of IPBRICK.MAIL. You can send an email, click on Mail, New Message. And create folders to where you can move your emails. Another feature is the calendar. The calendar allows you to have different views: day, work week, month and year. It also allows you to create and schedule events as well as to invite attendees. Click on Calendar, New Event. Thanks to the availability bar, you can check if the attendees are free or busy to participate in the event that you have scheduled. Another feature is the address book, where you can create your contacts list. To add an address, click on Address Book, New Contact. If you have an address inserted into the address book, and you start writing that same address in an email message, it appears automatically filled. On the Options tasks, you can schedule what you need to do. Or you can write a note. This is IPBRICK.MAIL, your platform for electronic mail and collaborative tools.